The farewell pilgrimage marked a significant moment in the life of Prophet Muhammad. It was the last pilgrimage he would make before his death, and it was during this pilgrimage that he delivered his final sermon to his followers. As Prophet Muhammad stood before the thousands of Muslims gathered at Mount Arafat, he spoke of the importance of unity among believers. He emphasized the equality of all people, regardless of their race or social status, and urged his followers to treat each other with kindness and compassion. He reminded them of the importance of following the teachings of Islam and living a life of righteousness. He spoke of the need to uphold justice and to avoid oppression and wrongdoing. He also stressed the importance of taking care of one's family and treating them with love and respect. Prophet Muhammad spoke of the sanctity of human life and the importance of protecting the rights of others. He reminded his followers that all people are equal in the eyes of God and that no one should consider themselves superior to others. He also addressed the issue of women's rights, emphasizing the importance of treating women with dignity and respect. He spoke out against the mistreatment of women and called on his followers to protect and honor them. As Prophet Muhammad delivered his final sermon, the crowd listened intently, hanging on his every word. They knew that this would be the last time they would hear him speak in person, and they were eager to absorb his wisdom and guidance. After the sermon was over, Prophet Muhammad led his followers in prayer, and they all joined together in worship. It was a powerful and emotional moment, as they prayed together for guidance and strength in the days ahead. As the pilgrimage came to an end, Prophet Muhammad bid farewell to his followers, knowing that his time on earth was coming to an end. He urged them to continue to follow the teachings of Islam and to live their lives in accordance with the principles of righteousness and justice. And so, the farewell pilgrimage and final sermon of Prophet Muhammad came to a close, leaving a lasting impact on the hearts and minds of his followers. They would carry his words with them always, striving to live their lives in a way that honored his legacy and the teachings of Islam.